My name is Pallav Kulshrestha and today we will learn about heat. So these are the points we are going to cover today, hot and cold, like how much hot or cold anything is and how to find the temperature of something and the device called thermometer which we use to find the temperature. So we are going to learn about these. Before we move further, I want you to try these questions. You can pause the video, try these questions, then we can check their answers. So these are the answers of these questions. I hope your answers are right. Now let's move on. Hot and cold. So in nature we can find few things which are hot and few things which are cold, like coffee and tea. These are hot, and ice cubes or ice cream, these are cold. So how can we find uh, that something is hot or cold? So we can do that with the help of sense of touch. By touching something we can find is that cold or is that hot. But is the sense of touch always right? Let's see. So here we have one experiment. In one beaker we have warm water, in the second one we have cold water, and in the third one we have mixture of both. So what we are going to do, we'll put our left hand in the warm water, we'll put our right hand in the cold water at the same time for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll put both the hands in the mixture of warm and cold water. So for one hand, the same water, the third one will be like cold, but for the other hand it would be hot. So if the water is same, why it is different, why it is sensing different for both the hands? So we cannot say the sense of touch is always right. So is there any other way to find the temperature? Let's see. Yes, we can measure temperature with a device, with an instrument called thermometer. So I think you have seen that thermometer. When we have fever, we use thermometer to find the temperature of our body. So we can use thermometer to find the temperature of anything. Normally we have two types of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer which ranges from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Normally it can measure from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and the laboratory thermometer, it ranges from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. We'll learn about these thermometers in detail. So first we talk about clinical thermometer. It is used for measuring the temperature of a body. We can see here at one end there is a bulb and it contains mercury. So as the temperature rises, the level of mercury rises in the temperature. For example, if the level of mercury rises to 37, it means the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer is only used to measure the temperature of body. Now, what if we want to find the temperature of some other things that may be much higher than the body temperature or much lower than the body temperature? So for that, we have another thermometer, that is laboratory thermometer, and the range of laboratory thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius approximately. So what do? We should keep this thermometer upright, not tilted, so that the bulb of the thermometer, where the mercury is stored, is fully surrounded by the substance which the temperature is to be measured. And then we have one other type of thermometer called digital thermometer. So it shows the temperature in numbers. We don't use mercury in that. So as the mercury is a toxic substance that's not good for health and it is not easy to dispose. So the use of mercury is discouraged nowadays. That's why we are using digital thermometer. Now let's discuss how can we read the temperature with the help of thermometer. So if you see, in the thermometer we have divisions. So the difference between one division is called as 1 degree Celsius. The difference between the larger divisions is called as 1 degree Celsius. And if we see the small divisions, here we have 10 small divisions between the large divisions. That will represent zero point 0.1 degree Celsius. So for example, if the level of mercury is at 37, it means the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. And if the level rises one more small division, then it would be 37.1 degrees Celsius. Now let's try some questions. So you can pause the video, try these questions, find the answers. I hope you got the right answers. So if I talk about the first one, do you remember the different types of thermometer used for measuring the body temperature and other things? And what are the ranges of these thermometers? In this video, we will learn till here only. For more, you can visit justtutors.com. Thanks for watching this video.